This is a portable handheld car vacuum cleaner with more efficient dust filtering effect, which can intercept dust and particles comprehensively and prevent secondary diffusion. 120-watt high-power motor with strong suction power to suck out stubborn dust. In addition, the upgraded wireless model, home and car without plugging in the power. The entire wireless operation. Get rid of the sense of bondage. The inner shell of the shell can add a logo. Factory direct sales. Also easy to install, easy to remove. Accessories are very complete.